Planning and organizing events take up a lot of your time and effort. But what about all that other grunt work, like managing registrations? Automate.io can do all of that for you. Automate.io is a simple tool that connects your favorite web apps and automates your tedious manual work so that you can spend your time working on the things that matter to you. To begin, visit this page, click on this use case box, and then click the Get Started button. You will see the Add Account screen. Here, you will connect your Salesforce and Eventbrite accounts to Automate.io. Now let's go enter those account credentials. We always keep your data secure with bank-level encryption. Alright, our apps are connected. Now let's build this automation, also called a bot. First, let's focus on Eventbrite. It's our trigger app, which starts our bot. This bot triggers every time there is a new registration in your Eventbrite account. And by the way, Eventbrite has a lot more triggers down here that can come in handy for a lot of other use cases, so be sure to check those out. Now let's move to Salesforce. It's the action app that performs our desired action. In this case, we want to create a lead on Salesforce for every new Eventbrite registration. However, you can modify this bot and save each new Eventbrite registration as a contact instead on Salesforce. And just like Eventbrite, there are a bunch of other actions in Salesforce that can come in handy for other use cases. This template also comes with standard fields that are already mapped for you. You can, of course, override them and make any changes you'd like. And you can map even more details to Salesforce by taking the help of these additional fields as well. We've now set up our bot. Click Done, and let's go test it out. Now come back to your Automate.io dashboard. Alright, it looks good. Now let's check our Salesforce. And there you go. Your bot will now run in the background and do all the work for you. You don't have to manually do it anymore. So if you'd like to try out this bot, click on the link in the description below to get started quickly. And remember, we're available 24/5 on our in-app chat, or you can email us directly at help@automate.io. And don't forget to subscribe to us.